Welcome to this comprehensive review of Agile CRM, a customer relationship management platform designed to streamline your business processes and enhance customer engagement. In this video, I'll guide you through the features, user interface, and overall usability of Agile CRM to help you decide if it's the right tool for your business. Starting with the interface, Agile CRM offers a clean, intuitive dashboard that caters to both beginners and experienced users. The layout is straightforward, making it easy to access key features such as contact management, task automation, and email marketing. Setting up your account is quick, and the platform provides clear instructions, so you're ready to go in just a few minutes. One of the standout features of Agile CRM is its automation capabilities. It allows you to automate repetitive tasks, freeing up valuable time for other priorities. Whether it's sending follow-up emails, assigning tasks to team members, or updating contact information, Agile CRM handles it efficiently. The email marketing tools are also worth mentioning. You can design and schedule email campaigns with ease, using customizable templates and analytics to track performance. These features make Agile CRM a great choice for businesses focused on nurturing leads and maintaining strong customer relationships. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Make sure to explore them after watching this video for additional insights and tools to boost your business operations. The pricing structure is another critical factor to consider. Agile CRM offers multiple plans to suit businesses of all sizes, including a free version for startups and smaller teams. The paid plans unlock advanced features such as telephony integration, custom reports, and extended customer support. In terms of integrations, Agile CRM seamlessly connects with popular tools like Google Workspace, Zapier, and social media platforms. This compatibility ensures that you can incorporate it into your existing workflows without any hassle. Performance-wise, the platform is reliable and responsive, even with extensive data or complex workflows. The support team is accessible and provides prompt assistance, which is a big plus for users who might face technical issues or need guidance. While Agile CRM has many strengths, there are a few areas for improvement. For instance, the mobile app could use some refinements for a smoother on-the-go experience. Additionally, businesses with very specific needs might find the customization option slightly limited compared to other CRM solutions. To sum up, Agile CRM is a well-rounded platform that combines essential CRM features with robust automation tools, all at an affordable price point. It's an excellent choice for small to medium-sized businesses looking to optimize their sales, marketing, and service efforts. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews and guides on business tools. Thank you for watching.